Hi guys, this is Dr. JMR chemistry class. Today I am going to explain about octet rule. What is octet rule? Oct means 8. It contains 8 electrons in the valence shell, then we can call it as octet rule. 8 electrons in the valence shell. If valence shell contains 8 electrons, we can call it as stable electronic configuration or octet electronic configuration. How? Suppose I will give an example. Suppose 11, that is sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. It contains only one electron in the outermost shell. Is it stable? No, it is unstable. How it will become stable? Means by donating or by accepting 7 electrons or by donating 1 electron. Means valence shell contains only 1 electron. If it attracts 7 electrons, it will become stable. But it is not possible. More energy is required. How it will become stable? Means sodium is ready to donate 1 electron and convert it into stable electronic configuration. Then what is the electronic configuration of sodium? Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Valence shell contains only 1 electron. Like this. By donating, after donating, it contains 1s2, 2s2, only 2p6. Here valence shell contains 8 electrons. So that is why it is generally we can call it as stable. Why it is stable? According to octet rule, if an atom or ion contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell, that we can call it as stable electronic configuration. So here generally they will ask sodium atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Then here 11 sodium ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Which one is more stable? This is stable. Why it is stable? Valence shell contains 8 electrons. So that is why it is stable. Why it is unstable? Valence shell contains only 1 electron. So that is why sodium atom is unstable. Sodium ion, Na plus ion is stable. Why? It obeys octet electronic configuration. So this is unstable and this is stable. In examination he will ask sodium atom is unstable. Sodium ion is stable. Why? Means it attains stable electronic configuration. Similarly, for example, oxygen atomic number is 8. Here electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, then 2p4. Valence shell contains how many electrons? 6 electrons. Is it stable? No, it is unstable. How it will become stable? Oxygen, by accepting 2 electrons, it is converted into O2 minus. Then what is the electronic configuration of oxygen atom? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Then what about this one? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So here valence shell contains 8 electrons. So that is why it is stable. Sometimes you will ask, what is the electronic configuration of oxygen atom? This is unstable. Why it is unstable? It contains 6 electrons in the valence shell. So that is why unstable. Then what about 2 minus? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is valence shell contains 8 electrons. So that is why it is stable. If an atom or ion contains 8 electrons in the valence shell, it is stable. It is unstable. By accepting or by gaining 2 electrons, it is converted into stable. Similarly, suppose next ion, suppose you take calcium. magnesium. Here electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Valence shell contains how many electrons? Only 2 electrons. Is it stable? No. Why? Third shell is generally we can call it as valence shell. You know, this is first shell, this is second shell, this is third shell. First shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, third shell contains only 2 electrons. Is it stable? No. It is unstable. How it will become stable? So it cannot attract 6 electrons. It is not that much easy. So it is easy to donate magnesium. By donating 2 electrons, it will become stable. So Mg2 plus is stable. Why? It attains stable electronic configuration 2p6. So like this is the electronic configuration of magnesium ion. What about this one? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. Valence shell contains only 2 electrons. So that is why this is, we can say, it is that is unstable and this is stable. Concept is clear? So like this here what happened? If an atom or ion contains 8 electrons in the valence shell, then we can say that is what a stable electronic configuration. Very important one, another element, that is chlorine. Chlorine, how will it become what a stable? Chlorine atomic number is 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p5. Valence shell contains how many electrons? Valence shell contains 7 electrons. Is it stable? No, it is unstable. By gaining 1 electron, it will become stable. So by attracting 1 electron, Cl minus. So then here this electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6. So it contains 6 electrons. So that is, it contains 8 electrons. So that is why it is stable. So if it is an atom, is positive charge. Suppose you take here cation. What do you mean by cation? Means positively charged ions. We can go. Suppose you take calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, Al 3 plus, Na plus. These are called cations. Positively charged particles. They are called ions. So anion. What do you mean by anion? Anion is nothing but F minus, Cl minus, O2 minus, N3 minus. They are called anions, means negatively charged particles. So these ions are stable. How it will become stable? By donating. Cation means by donating electrons, it will become what a cation. By accepting electrons, it will become what a anion. So like this here what happened? Octet rule. By accepting or by donating, it will become stable. So like this is very important configuration, that is octet rule. So that is why here what happened, this is very important. So similarly, suppose you take sodium at 11. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Here valence shell contains 1 electron, means it is ready to donate. If valence shell contains 2 electrons, it is ready to donate. If valence shell contains 3 electrons, it is ready to donate. If valence shell contains 4 electrons, that is mutual sharing. I will tell afterwards. If valence shell contains 5 electrons, what happened? If valence shell contains 5 electrons, it is ready to attract. If valence shell contains 5 electrons, it is ready to attract 3 electrons. If it contains 6 electrons in the valence shell, I am talking about valence shell, outermost shell. So it contains, ready to attract, if it contains 7 electrons, ready to attract 1 electron. If 8 electrons, then we can tell it as a stable electronic configuration. So like this here depends on valence shell. If 1, 2, 3 it contains, it is ready to donate to become stable electronic configuration. For example, already we come across this example. Sodium, by donating 1 electron, it contains, it become 8 electrons. So that is why sodium is ready to donate 1 electron to which atom? So available atom. So that is why bond is formed. It is donating to become cation or positively charged ion. So this is very important, octet electronic configuration. Thank you. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చిందంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ డూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.